Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the Advisor Shares Trust for cannabis in the US. This is MSOS. Now, MSOS has been in a significant downtrend for a lot of its life. I mean, it started here in 2020, ran up nicely with the rest of the market, and then kind of gave it all back and then some. It's really kind of been lingering near the lows here, right around the $6 and $7 range. You can see this black line I have on the chart. That is the 200-day moving average. And for most of this vehicle's life, it's been under the 200-day moving average. But just near the end of 2023, it was finally able to battle against the 200-day, even though it took a few tries. We're now, as you can see, sitting above the 200-day moving average, but we're also above all the other moving averages. You can see these lines I have drawn here. Clear downward sloping trend line of resistance, clear upward sloping trend line of support. We broke out of this clear range and today back tested it with a bounce right off that 8-day exponential. And so I definitely think MSOs is looking interesting here. And if I was to take a position, I'd probably want to have a stop right around that $7 range. I think a close below 7, probably want to get out of the way of this because that means that this breakout is not really holding, could be just another fake out. But definitely want to bring your attention to some of the U.S. cannabis stocks. I think they could be setting up for maybe a run in 2024. Definitely one to watch, and we'll be watching it over at stockmarketmentor.com. So I hope that video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want a great community to trade with, click that link, stockmarketmentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.